Happy Saturday.
Ups and downs are worth it. Long way to go, but we're working.
This is actually our third day of renovation. Getting ready to renovate my showroom, office, headquarters, whatever you want to call it. This is what we're getting ready to do today. I actually have a lot to do in there. We've kind of already started a little bit with the painting, removing the carpet and what have you. It's a long way to go. And right now with this whole corona crap going on, it kind of just gives me a little break to be able to get things done, because right now stock market's down, sales are low everywhere. So I'm using this to my advantage. I'm using this downtime to be able to get everything up and running. And FYI, check with your Secretary of State, because they are giving grants to small business owners who have had a decline in sales. So take advantage of it. Don't let this stuff distract y'all from what y'all got going on. Keep it pushing, keep it moving, because people still gonna shop online. Okay, I promise this stuff is gonna disappear like this. Like, it came and it gone, just like pneumonia, the flu. It's whatever. Everybody's in a panic. I get it, but y'all know how the government is. But that's the story for another day. But we are about to, I'm actually waiting on my husband to get off the road. He made a run today. It's usually our day for us and not to be working, but whatever. So we're getting ready to go and start getting things ready for the office, and I'm gonna try to film as much as I can with this process, not only for you all, but to see how far I've came with the office, because the office is really ugly, okay? And what I'm about to do to it is going to change the whole dynamics of it. It's not even gonna look nowhere near how it is now. So I'm very excited. I just want everybody to stay encouraged. Please don't give up. Don't let this temporary setback discourage y'all from starting y'all business. Keep pushing, keep striving. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I was 19, pregnant and homeless, and never in a million years, well, I'm not gonna say what I've thought, but I knew I would do it, because I started my LLC in my car, pregnant, sleeping in my car. I didn't do anything with it, but it was the first step for me. So y'all be encouraged. I will see you all at the office. I've actually made it to the office, and I want to show y'all around. You have to excuse the place because it's like in a complete disaster at the moment, but try to give y'all a visual of how this is going to look. So right now I'm actually in the showroom, and this is the actual entrance, and all these ugly doors are actually going to be white. Everything's gonna be white. It's like I painted that door white. Oh wait, this door, all this stuff is gonna be white. So show y'all the office. So this is the actual waiting room, and the door is right here. So when you come in, this is the first thing you see. Right here on that wall is actually, this whole wall is actually going to be black textured wallpaper. With this wallpaper, it's actually going to be this textured wallpaper along that whole back wall. So I'm not going to paint that, because my 1122 sign is actually going to go on the wall, on the wallpaper. So that whole black wall, the texture wallpaper, 1122, all of this is going to be white. Baseboards are going to be white. I don't know who chairs these belong to, but all this stuff is about to get thrown downstairs. Everything's going to be white. Over here, I'm going to have a small sitting area, and actually my register desk is going to go right there. So I'm going to have a small sitting area, and I think like a 32-inch flat screen is going to go on that wall. So this whole place is going to be black and white. I actually have black carpet, and it's the carpet. This is the black carpet that's going to be on the floor, with everything else white. So everything else white with a touch of gold. These are some of the things that I had gotten from the at-home store, and those are going to go on the wall. And from there, again, there's the door, and in here is going to be my office. See all the carpets taken up here. This is going to be my office. Turn lights on. My office in here. These two mirrors is actually going to go in the showroom. So these are actually going to go in the showroom. I just have them in here because we're painting at the moment. And then this is going to be my training room. So hopefully I can kind of calm down with the traveling, and I'm going to actually start taking 3 clients at a time to come in and do one-on-ones. And this is going to be my training room. I'm going to have overhead projectors and like a conference room table in here. So it's going to be kind of like a 3-in-1, so to speak, because my office is going to be actually for another business. This is kind of going to be like Mogul Mindset, and then 1122 over here. So it's going to serve multiple purposes. So this is the actual biggest room, and this is the actual showroom. We have painted everything in here. We have to go over with a second coat, which I'm about to do now. I'm actually here by myself, so I'm about to put on my mask and my bonnet so my hair don't get messed up and get everything white. So we've already kind of painted this door and the baseboards. We have to go back over everything, but all of this stuff is about to get taken out, and I'm actually about to do that now. So once I finish, I'll let you all see how it looks. Once I'm done, I'm actually gonna be here for a very long time, so we'll see how this turns out, especially me being here by myself. And this was actually a long process. I've had this building for a few weeks now because number one, it didn't have power, and this building had been empty for quite a while. So the city had to come do inspections before I was able to get power on. So everything is in the business name. My name is not attached to anything. All of the decor, everything I purchased with business credit. So when that stuff comes in, I'll show you all what I purchased with business credit. Like all of this is going to be shelves, which I've purchased with business credit. Over here is going to be white shelves purchased with business credit, and then I have pedestals that's going over there. I also purchased with business credit. Shelves, the 2 mirrors I didn't purchase with business credit. They were cheap at Burlington because we had a grand opening, so I got those 2. They're going to go here with another long shelf in the middle. And then also my register desk is what I purchased. I purchased that with business credit, and the seating area and all that stuff, and actually the TV, I got all that stuff with business credit. So I timed everything perfectly to how I ordered it, because I wanted my bills to be staggered, because some of the things that I purchased like on net 30, net 60, and net 55 accounts, so I staggered them to how I purchased them, so I'm gonna have to owe back all at one time. So didn't have to come out anything. Only thing I had to pay out of pocket up front is of course the deposit and everything for this space. But I'm so excited. Listen, I can do this. Anybody can do it. I literally came from nothing, y'all, and the fact that I'm sitting here about to open my own showroom is crazy, and it's just the first of many. And the reason why I'm only opening a showroom is because Savannah is slow, so it was no sense for me to open a store here, but I'm definitely opening one in Charlotte. So I can do it, anybody can, and it's not something that I'm doing that I'm not sharing. Everything I'm doing, I'm sharing with y'all. I've done it. Everything I've taught other people how to do is what I use to do it. And congratulations to one of my clients. She got her $30,000 business line of credit. That made me feel really good. I was so happy. I'm so happy for her. So congratulations. You know who you are. I'm not going to say your name. Don't know if you want me to say your name, so I'm not going to say it. But congratulations. It's possible. You can do it. Everything I do, I put in my online business course. The 8-week course is at your own pace. So I don't hide anything. It's money to be made. Don't let this coronavirus stuff scare y'all. If I can do it, you can do it. So once I finish all of this stuff, clean it up, and play some music, play my gospel, and I will see y'all so y'all can see how I look once I'm done. Bye.
been one for the fast life, and you never been one to smash the first night. No, no, you never been one to fuck no scrubs, but you wanna show a whole lot of love to the thugs.
Okay, y'all, so I have been here for about 4 hours, no, about 6 hours. And this is what we have gotten done so far. I cleaned the showroom out. All the walls are white. Can't really see it good on camera. All the walls are white. This actually came out of my storage room, which I have to clean out, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Everything is white. And these lights are coming out. I actually have chandeliers in there that are gonna come in here. So I am slowly but surely cleaning everything out. It's almost done. I've also started on my training room. It's white as well. It looks funny on camera, but it's pure white. So as you can see, starting on the baseboards, the trims. So it's coming along. It's coming along.